Hi everyone. Hi Upinder. Hi Adnan. Hi Neeru. Hi Samiksha. A very good evening. How are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? So hi everyone. This is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, and I welcome you all to our channel Vedantu Commerce. And if you guys are new to our channel, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. Go and subscribe our channel right now for more such live classes. And I hope that you all have marked your attendance. You all have liked the video. If you have still not liked the video, then please show some love and go and hit the thumbs up button. Hello Stuti. Hi Kushi. Hello Anurag. A very good evening. I am also good, Upinder. So what we are going to discuss today? आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? So this is the last class of depreciation chapter because as you all were requesting us to start term 2 syllabus, so we will be starting term 2 syllabus very soon. So stay tuned and yes, go and subscribe our channel for term 2 syllabus. Hello Aniket. Sudhi, I have asked my team. They will take a little time to add it because अभी उनको थोड़ा time लगेगा, but it will be added for sure. पिछली क्लास अनिकेत अटेंड नहीं करी थी, it's okay. You will be still getting the class. So this is Udan batch. This is class 11th accountancy session. And this is your schedule for today. So what are we going to discuss today? आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We will do provision for depreciation account under written down value method. Provision for depreciation account क्या होता है, कैसे बनता है, वो सब हम आज की क्लास में करने वाले हैं. And if you guys want to become a pro in all the subject, अगर आपको term 2 में अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं, then you can go to our website and you can register yourself for Vedantu Mega Scholarship Admission Test. So guys, go and enroll now yourself for VAMSAT. So this is the website on which you have to register yourself. And this scholarship test will be conducted on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. And if you are going to register yourself in this, then you will be getting guaranteed scholarship. तो अगर आपको guaranteed scholarship चाहिए तो अभी जाइए और register कीजिए because there is no fees for registration. It is free of cost. And our top winners, the grand winners, will be getting a chance to win Apple iPad 9th generation, Kindle, boat AirDops, Vedantu bags. So you all can win these amazing surprises. As बहुत सारे बच्चों को vote में बड़े अच्छे अच्छे prizes मिले थे. So again, you are getting the chance to win these prizes. So go and enroll yourself now for Vedantu scholarship test. Now, I know that you are thinking कि test pattern क्या होगा ma'am? What will be the test pattern? So, there will be 3 sections beta. 3 section होंगे, 1 for accounts, 1 for business study and 1 for economics. Every subject will have 20 questions. So total there will be 60 questions. All the question will be objective based. There will be 4 options out of which 1 will be correct. Now correct answer will get plus 4 marks and negative, there will be negative marking. So wrong answer will get -1. और यहाँ पे आपको टाइम मिलेगा 90 minutes. So you will be getting 1.5 hours to attempt these 60 questions. So go and enroll yourself now and don't forget to join it at Wednesday 8 p.m. Now what will be the syllabus? आपको तैयारी कहाँ से करनी है? From where you should prepare for it? So you have to prepare your first 40% syllabus. Accountancy, first 40% syllabus. Business studies, first 40%. Economics, first 40%. And you will be able to attempt the test on every Wednesday at 8 p.m. starting from 17th of November till 22nd of December. So it is valid till 22nd of December. So go and log in on this website right now to register yourself. जल्दी से जाओ और रजिस्टर करो अगर आपको चाहिए ये सारे prizes. If you want to get all these prizes, then go and register yourself now. And these are the steps. What are the steps? First, you have to visit the official page. You have to visit this website. Then click on register for free. Then they will ask you some detail. Go and fill those details. Then again, cross-check the details that you have provided. And then click on submit button. So, I hope that you all will register yourself by today and you will definitely win this scholarship test. After the session, Nazia. Now, as you all know, what are we going to discuss today? We will be continuing the chapter depreciation, and this is the last class of depreciation. And the topic that we are going to cover in this class is provision for depreciation account under written down value method. So first, I'll explain you the topic and I will be asking you questions also. We have quiz in this session also. So first, we will have quiz. Then I'll explain you the topic and then we'll solve a question so that हमें अच्छे से सब कुछ समझ आ जाए. So stay tuned till the end of this session if you want to know what is provision for depreciation account. We are also going to discuss asset disposal account. So are you all ready? Provision SLM में भी होता है लेकिन अगर आपको WDV वाला समझ आ गया तो SLM वाला आराम से हो जाएगा. We have skipped it because we have to complete the syllabus. And we have to start the term 2 as you guys have requested for it. So if this session is clear to you, then SLM wala will automatically get cleared. So are we ready, guys? Yes or no? Yo, Nazia. 2022 is near. Yes, I have even received the calendars for the new year. So I was just opening the calendar so that I can stick it on the wall. But then I noticed, oh, it's for new year. And I was like, abhi to November hi chal raha hai. Abhi to we have 1 month, more than 1 month. Okay, so starting the session now and let's see what are the learning outcomes. So this is the learning outcome. We will be learning the provision for depreciation account. But first, we are going to start with the quiz time. So it's time to start the quiz. And let's see how much of you are going to answer it correct. How many of you are going to answer it correct? So here I have the first question for you. The question is, under reducing balance method, depreciation to be charged on. Under written down value method, depreciation is to be calculated on scrap value, real value, original value, none of these. A, B, C, D. Which option you want to choose? Under WDV, depreciation is to be charged on A, scrap value, B, real value, C, original value, D, none of these. And till now, only one student have answered it correct. Congratulations, Stuti. Well done, girl. You have answered it correct. Answer is none of these. Because under WDV method, the depreciation is calculated on book value, guys, which is not in the option. Now you guys must be answering D because I have told you the answer, but earlier you all have answered it wrong. So only Stuti was the one who have answered it correct. So answer was D, none of this. So well done, Stuti. Now coming on to the next question. Here we have your next question. A firm purchased an asset on 1st October 2020 for rupees 1 lakh. Calculate the depreciation on same for the year 2020 if the rate of depreciation is 10%. You have to calculate the depreciation in this question. Let's see who is going to answer it correct. Yes, book value को WDV भी कहते हैं. So well done, Amrita Varshini. You are the first one to answer it correct. Congratulations, Amrita. Well done, Aniket. You are second. Well done, Upender. You are third. Well done, Kushi and Nazia. So the answer was D. Because the asset is purchased on 1st October. So the depreciation will be calculated for 6 months. कितने महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा बच्चों? 6 महीने का. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. So 1 lakh multiplied by 10% multiplied by 6 by 12 and the answer will be D, 5,000. Yes, half year का depreciation लगेगा. Now, coming on to the session, so let's begin the main session. And let me tell you this because most of the students, they keep on asking when Disha ma'am will be back. Disha ma'am kab aayingi? So Disha ma'am will be back about approx after 6 months. So she is on maternity leave right now. अभी कम से कम मैम को 6 महीने लगेंगे because she has to recover. तो at least after 6 months. तो अब तो अगली साल ही मिलेंगी लगता है आपको दिशा मैम. Okay guys, now starting the topic. What are we going to discuss today? We are going to discuss provision for depreciation account. So please pay attention everyone. The topic for today's session is provision for depreciation account. Now before moving on to this, you all should know that there are 2 methods for recording depreciation. There are 2 methods for recording depreciation. Now what are those 2 methods? कौन से हैं वो 2 method? The first method is that depreciation will be credited, or you can say depreciation will be recorded to asset account. Depreciation will be recorded to asset account. This was the method that we were using till now. अभी तक हम सारा डेप्रीसिएशन कहाँ रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे? मशीनरी अकाउंट में. Till now we were recording depreciation in asset account, in machinery account. But today we are going to explore the second method. The second method is depreciation will be credited. Depreciation will be recorded to provision for depreciation account. अब कहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड होगा depreciation? It will be recorded in a separate account, that is provision for depreciation account. And इसका मतलब होता है this account basically, first of all, it is also known as accumulated depreciation account. Provision for depreciation is also known as accumulated depreciation. So the total depreciation will be recorded in provision for depreciation, in accumulated depreciation. So it is only a method of recording depreciation. Now it will be depending upon question. It will depend upon question that you will use the SLM method or WDV method. It depends upon question. This will remain same. The calculation will remain same. Okay, depends upon question. तो calculation same रहेगी, only the journal entries will change. Only the recording will change and everything else will remain the same. बाकी सब क्या रहेगा? Same रहेगा. Is this clear to everyone? यहां तक समझ आया मैंने क्या बोला, क्या नहीं बोला? Yes. Okay. Now coming on to the journal entries. What will be the journal entries when depreciation is recorded in provision for depreciation account? So first of all, we will purchase the asset. You will purchase the asset account debit to cash and bank. This is the entry when asset is purchased. This is the first entry. Then मनज YouTube में बेटा रिपीट करने का ऑप्शन होता है. अब थोड़ा सा वीडियो को बैक करोगे and you can see it again. So this is when the asset is purchased. Then when the depreciation was charged in the previous method, when we were charging depreciation, entry was, what is the entry for depreciation? Normally the entry is depreciation account debit to asset account. Normally this is the entry, but in this method depreciation is not recorded in the asset account. It is recorded in provision for depreciation account. So when you are making provision for depreciation account, the journal entry will be depreciation debit. The entry will be depreciation debit to provision for depreciation. This is the journal entry for depreciation. And after that, Depreciation will be transferred to P&L account. We will transfer depreciation to P&L account. So P&L account debit to depreciation. So these are the 3 journal entries. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, guys? Anurag, at the end of year, the depreciation account will be closed and it will be transferred to the P&L account. As I told you yesterday also, it is an indirect expense. So all the indirect expenses are transferred to the debit side of P&L account, profit and loss account. Okay. Now coming on to the next topic. So each and every journal entry is same. This journal entry is same as we have done in the previous class. This entry is also same. The only difference is in the previous classes we have credited asset over here. But now instead of crediting asset account, you are crediting provision for depreciation. And then this is also same. This is exactly same. We are closing depreciation account and it is being transferred to profit and loss account debit side. Now coming on to the next topic. What is the next topic? The next topic is asset disposal account. Okay, Aniket, it's all okay. So, the next topic we have is asset disposal account. Now, what do we mean by asset disposal account? What is it? So, it is the account which is used, which is prepared to find out profit or loss at the time of sale of asset. So asset disposal account is prepared so that you can find out the profit or loss at the time of sale. So for that we have to make asset disposal account. Now, when asset disposal account is prepared, we will pass few journal entries. Journal entries when asset disposal is prepared. So, the first journal entry will be asset disposal account debit to asset account. So, asset is transferred. Asset is transferred to asset disposal account. We are transferring the asset to asset disposal account at original cost. You will transfer the asset to asset disposal account at its original cost. So this is the first entry. Asset disposal account, debit to asset account. Then the second entry, the total depreciation. The total depreciation charged on the asset till date of sale. जो भी आपके एसेट पे टोटल डेप्रीसिएशन लगा है, that total depreciation will be also transferred to asset disposal account. Will be also transferred to asset disposal account. So what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be provision for, okay, yes, provision for depreciation account, debit to asset disposal account. To asset disposal account. So first of all, we have transferred the asset. Asset is transferred first of all. Then second, the total depreciation will also be transferred. In second step, we have transferred the total depreciation. Third, you will record sale of asset. We will record sale of asset. How will you record it? The journal entry will be bank account debit to asset disposal account. आप सेल को रिकॉर्ड करोगे and this will be the journal entry. Bank account debit to asset disposal account. And after that, you will find out the profit or loss. After passing these three journal entries, we will find out the profit and loss. So how will you find out the profit and loss? कैसे find out करोगे? From original cost, we will subtract the total depreciation. After subtracting total depreciation, you will get the WDV of asset. आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? You will get the WDV. Then WDV will be compared with the selling price. You will compare WDV with the selling price and the balancing figure will be either profit or it will be loss. So this is how asset disposal is prepared and how you will find out the profit and loss. Now these three are very important journal entries. I request you all to please read them again. So guys, please have a look at these journal entries. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So now it's time to solve this question. Now we have to solve this question. So this is a very good question. If this is clear to you, it means the entire chapter is clear to you. So let's read the question now. चलिए question को पढ़ते हैं and please pay attention because this is a very good question. Azad Limited purchased furniture on 1st October 2012. Furniture is purchased on 1st October 2012 for 4,50,000, for rupees 4,50,000. Now, on March 1, 2013, after 4 months, I think after 4 or 5 months, it purchased another furniture for 3 lakh rupees. So, another furniture is purchased on 1st of March. Then, on 1st of July 2014, it sold off the first furniture purchased in 2012 for 2,25,000. We have sold the first furniture. Now, depreciation is provided at 15%. The rate of depreciation is 15% per annum on written down value method. Accounts are closed each year on 31st March. You have to prepare furniture account, accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account means provision for depreciation account for the year 31st March 2013, 2014 and 2015. We have to prepare the accounts for 3 years. Also give the above two account if furniture disposal account is open. We have to prepare if furniture disposal, asset disposal is also prepared. So this is your question. Now let me add some blank sheets so that I can solve it. Just a minute. Okay. So now we are going to prepare furniture account. What will be the format? The format will be date, particulars, JF, amount. Then again date, particulars, JF and amount. This is the format for furniture account. Then we will make provision for depreciation account or accumulated depreciation account. The format will remain same, guys. Date, particulars, LF, amount, date, particulars, LF and amount. And we have to also prepare furniture disposal account. Date, particulars, LF, amount, date, particulars, LF and MM. Now we can start the question. So the first furniture is purchased on 1st of October 2012. So let's record it. In 2012, on 1st October, we purchased the first furniture for 4,50,000. Then another furniture was purchased on 1st October 2013 for rupees 3 lakh. So on 1st March 2013, we purchased another furniture for 3 lakh rupees. Now, this year will end on 31st March 2013. But we are making provision for depreciation account. So, depreciation will not be recorded here. Depreciation यहाँ पर record नहीं होगा. We will record depreciation in the provision for depreciation account. So here we will record depreciation. So 2013, 31st March, in this account we will record depreciation. Now the rate of depreciation is 15%. So on first machinery, depreciation will be recorded for 6 months because it is purchased on 1st October. So from October till March there are 6 months. So 4,50,000 multiplied by 15% multiplied by 6 by 12, it is 33,750. And the second furniture is purchased on 1st of March. So from 1st March till 31st March, there is only 1 month. So we will calculate depreciation only for 1 month. 3 lakh multiplied by 15% multiplied by 1 by 12, it will be 3,750. Let me cross check. 3 lakh multiplied by 15% multiplied by 1 by 12. Yes, it is 3,750. Now, after recording depreciation, you will close the books because the year is ended. So at the end of year, we close the books. So it's time to find out the closing balances. So here we will write by balance carried down. 4,50,000 minus 0, it will be 4,50,000. Then 3 lakh minus 0, it will be 3 lakh. So these are the closing balances. After that, you will write down the total on both the sides. So total will be 7,50,000 and 7,50,000. This is the total. Similarly, we will do in provision for depreciation account. First of all, you will do the total 33,750 plus 3,750. 1 minute. It will be 37,500. And at the end of the year 31st March 2013, we will find out the closing balances in this account also. So the first will be 3,750, the second will be 3,750, and the total closing balance is 37,500. Then we'll write the total on both the sides. So this was the first year. Manu, we will start it from Monday, beta. So this was your first year. Now, in the second year, the closing balances will become the opening balances. The closing balances will become the opening balances on 1st April 2013. Balance brought down of first machine 4,50,000. Balance brought down of second machine 3 lakh. So total brought down will be 7,50,000. Now this year will end on 31st March 2014. But again, we will not record depreciation in asset account. We will not record depreciation here. We will record it in the provision for depreciation account. We will record it depreciation in this account. But first, the closing balance will become the opening balance. So on 1st April 2013, on 1st April 2013, you will write down the opening balances. First machine 33,750, second furniture 3,750. The total brought down is 37,500. मतलब यहाँ डेप्रीसिएशन सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा. सब्ट्रैक्ट तो जब रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे होगा? अगर रिकॉर्ड हुआ होता तो सब्ट्रैक्ट भी होता मशीन अकाउंट में, फर्नीचर अकाउंट में, लेकिन वहां तो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ तो वहां पर वो सेम वैल्यूज ही ब्रॉट डाउन कैरेड डाउन होती रहेंगी. इन मशीन अकाउंट यू विल सी ये 750 सेम ही रहेगा. दिस विल बी कैरेड डाउन, दिस विल बी ब्रॉट डाउन, दिस विल बी कैरेड डाउन, दिस विल बी ब्रॉट डाउन. Now, in the provision for depreciation account, you will record depreciation on 31st March 2014. We will record depreciation. And if you guys remember, this is WDV method. So we have to calculate the written down value. हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी? रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू. तो शुरू हो जाइए. The first machinery original cost was 4,50,000. From this you will subtract the depreciation of first year. After this WDV कितनी आएगी? The WDV is 4,16,250. So you will calculate depreciation on WDV. So 4,16,250 multiplied by 15%. Your depreciation will be 62,438 rupees because it is 437.5. So it will be 62,438. So record depreciation, and depreciation of first machine is 62,438. So always remember कि ये कौन सा मेथड है? WDV method. Yes, Manas. Always the brought down is recorded on the opposite side ना, तो credit ही side record होगा, and it is a liability, so it always have a credit balance. So this is the depreciation of first machine. Similarly, we will calculate the depreciation on second machine. So let me rub this. Okay, so the original cost of second machine was 3 lakh. The depreciation is 3750. So 3 lakh minus 3750, the WDV is 2,96,250. This is WDV. Now we will calculate 15% of this WDV and it will be, एक minute, 2,96,250 multiplied by 15%, it will be 44,437. So depreciation on second machine is 44,437. So this is how you will calculate depreciation in the second year. First, you have to calculate the WDV. Only then you can calculate the depreciation. What happened? Just a minute. Maybe the slides got closed automatically. Just give me 1 minute. Let me load the content. Give me a minute, guys. Ronak sir, please block this Rahul KR. So, we were on this and we have calculated the depreciation of second furniture. You can see it is 44,438. Sorry, all those slides got disappeared. So whatever I have written got vanished. वो सब गायब हो गया जो मैंने लिखा था. So I have to use this now. So ये है आपका second year का depreciation on the second furniture. Now, after writing the depreciation of both the furniture, we will close the books. हमें क्या करनी है? Books close करनी है. So, we will find out the carried down. To balance carried down at the end of year will be 37,500 plus these figures. So 37,500 plus 1,06,876. Your closing balance is 1,44,376. ये आया आपका closing balance. Then you will write the total on both the sides. We have written the total on both the sides. Similarly, we will close the machine account. हमें machine account भी close करना पड़ेगा. So here we have your machine account. एक minute. Furniture account. Here we have it. So we will close the furniture account 31st March 2014 by balance carried down 7,50,000. This is your machine furniture account at the end of second year. Then again we will write down the total on both the sides. After writing the total, after closing the account, this closing balance will become the opening balance. ये closing balance क्या बन जाएगा? Opening balance बन जाएगा. On 1st April 2014, to balance brought down. On 1st April 2014, to balance brought down 7,50,000. This is your opening balance of furniture account. And in the provision for depreciation account also, this closing balance will become opening balance on the credit side. Closing balance क्या बन जाएगा? Opening balance बन जाएगा. So buy balance brought down 1,44,376. Yes, Manas. फर्नीचर अकाउंट में 7,50,000 ही रहेगा. So क्लोजिंग बैलेंस यहाँ पे क्या बन गया बच्चों? ओपनिंग बैलेंस बन गया. Now the date is 1st April 2014. Coming back to the question now. Question पे चलते हैं. In the question, it is said that on 1st July 2014, it sold off the first furniture purchased in 2012 for 2,25,000. We are selling the first machinery for 2,25,000. So first of all, we will calculate depreciation on 1st July 2014. We will calculate depreciation on date of sale. Now, we have to calculate depreciation on written down value. So, how will you calculate? So, the original cost of the machinery is 4,50,000. This is the original cost. Depreciation charge in the first year. Depreciation charge in the first year was 33,750. You will subtract it. Then depreciation charge in the second year was how much? 66 something. 1 minute, let me check it. 62,438. So from the original cost, we are subtracting the depreciation of 2 years. And after subtracting this depreciation, you will get the WDV. So 4,50,000 minus 33,750 minus 62,438. The WDV is 3,53,812. And on 1st July, we will calculate depreciation on 3,53,812 at the rate 15% for 3 months. Yes, Anurag, we will calculate depreciation for 3 months. April, May and June. So we will calculate depreciation for 3 months. So how much it will be? 15 upon 100 multiplied by 3 by 12. It is 13,268. It is 13,268. So first we will calculate WDV, guys, and then we will calculate depreciation for 3 months. So this is your depreciation. 13,268. Now let me show you this. So here you can see 1st July by depreciation 13,268. Now please pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. After calculating depreciation on the date of sale, the total depreciation of first machinery, total depreciation of first furniture will be transferred to furniture disposal account. Whatever depreciation is charged on first furniture till now, that total depreciation will be transferred to the furniture disposal account. तो पहले फर्नीचर पे आज तक जितना भी डेप्रीसिएशन लगा है, that is transferred to the furniture disposal account. So in first year, depreciation was 33,750. In second year, depreciation was 62,438. And in current year, depreciation is 13,268. So this is the total depreciation on first furniture. First year 33,750, second year 62,438, and third year 13,268. We will add all these figures and the answer will be 109,456. So this is the total depreciation. Now, after transferring the total depreciation to the asset disposal account, you will transfer the asset to asset disposal account. If you guys remember, the first entry was asset disposal debit to asset account. So the first step is to transfer the asset. First of all, we will transfer the asset. So let me show you that also. Here you can see this. On 1st July 2014, by furniture disposal account, the original cost of first furniture is transferred to furniture disposal account. So this is the original cost of first furniture and it is transferred to furniture disposal account on 1st July. Now we will make asset disposal account. We will make furniture disposal account. तो एक सेकेंड दो मुझे. Let me go back to that. एक minute. Here we have your furniture disposal account. So the first entry was asset disposal account debit to asset account and the amount is 4,50,000. Now in this journal entry, asset disposal account is debited. So you will record on the debit side to asset, to furniture 4,50,000. Asset disposal क्या हुआ बच्चों? डेबिट हुआ. तो आप डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करोगे टू एसेट टू फर्नीचर 4,50,000. Then the second entry was provision for depreciation debit to asset disposal account 109,456. The total depreciation is transferred to asset disposal account. Now asset disposal is credited. So you will record on the credit side by accumulated depreciation, by provision for depreciation 109456. This is the total depreciation. And the third entry for the sale was bank debit to asset disposal. Bank debit to asset disposal account 2,25,000. कितने की मशीन बेची है? 2,25,000. So bank debit to asset disposal account. Asset disposal account is credited. So you will record on the credit side by bank 2,25,000. So we have recorded all the three entries in the furniture disposal account. After recording these three entries, we will find out the profit or loss. क्या find out करोगे? Profit or loss. So let's make the working note. The original cost is 4,50,000 minus total depreciation 109456. So 4,50,000 minus 109456, WDV is 3,40,554. This is WDV. Now you will compare it with the selling price 2,25,000. And the selling price is less than WDV. So selling price is less than WDV. Therefore, the balancing figure, जो भी balancing figure है 1,15,544, this is a loss. तो ये क्या आया? Loss. So by P&L account, it's a loss 1,15,544 rupees. This is how we will make asset disposal account and how we will find out the profit and loss. Is it clear? Clear Harsh, clear Anurag. So guys, with this, the question is over. And these are the working notes we have prepared for you. We have prepared a separate working note for WDV. So these are the closing balances. As you can see, 4,50,000 minus depreciation of first year. Then this is the value at the beginning of second year. Then you subtracted the depreciation of second year. Then we subtracted the depreciation of third year. So these are the working notes that we have already prepared and you can refer it for the next time. थोड़ा confusing था, but practice होंगे तो yes. It was tricky, I know, but if you will do practice again and again, then it will become super easy. It was not tricky, it was lengthy. So guys, that's it for today. Now, in the next class, we will be starting your Term 2 syllabus. So, Term 2 syllabus will be starting very soon. So, stay tuned for our upcoming classes. And if you guys have not if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel right now for more such live classes. Yes, this is the last class of depreciation. So, if you want to become a pro in all the subjects, if you want to score good marks, then go and participate now. Go and register yourself now for Vedantu Mega Scholarship Admission Test. So what you have to do is you have to visit our official page so that you can register yourself now to get the guaranteed scholarship from minimum 15% to 100%. So if you will appear in this test, you will get guaranteed scholarship and you will also get a chance to win these amazing prizes. So the grand winners will be getting Apple iPad, Kindle, both AirDrops and Vedantu bags. Yes, Samiksha, depreciation is a non-cash expense. So what is the test pattern? In this scholarship test, there will be 60 questions. 20 from accounts, 20 from economics and 20 from business studies. They will be MCQ based questions. There will be 4 marks for every correct answer and for every wrong answer there will be -1 marking. And the time period that will be given to you is 90 minutes. You will be getting 90 minutes to attempt this exam. Now, what will be the syllabus? So, syllabus will be first 40% of class 11th. You have to do your 40% syllabus, first 40%. And when it will be conducted on every Wednesday at 8 p.m. starting from 17th of November till 22nd of December. So if you haven't registered yourself now, go and follow these steps to register yourself. You have to first visit our official page. Then you have to click on register for free. Then you have to enter your details and click on submit button. So go and register yourself now if you want to win these amazing prizes like Apple, iPad, Kindle, both AirDrop and Vedantu bag. And if you want to start your term 2 syllabus with me, if you want to complete your term 2 syllabus with me, or if you are facing any of these problems, like if you are having doubts, you have no conceptual clarity, you want to solve more questions, more assignments, you are lagging behind in your syllabus, school में बहुत आगे जा चुके हैं, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आया, or you want to do a revision again, then you can join our Vedantu's and live interactive course. So go and join our live and interactive course right now to complete your syllabus with high-level quizzes. So if you want to solve high-level quizzes, then you can join our live and interactive course. Also, we will be covering the full syllabus of term 2 in the prescribed time. So we will be covering everything at Vedantu. Then we will be also providing you handwritten notes by our experts. After every class at Vedantu, you will be receiving handwritten notes by the top experts. Not only this, we will also help you in your doubts. So you can get all your doubts solved instantly. आपके सारे doubts you answer करेंगे हम लोग. Then we will be also providing you chapter-wise assignment, topic-wise assignment after every class. So after every class, you will be getting notes and assignments. हर क्लास के बाद वेदांतु आपको देगा notes और assignment. And we will also conduct your mock test time to time so that you can score good percentage. And last but not the least, we will be also providing you thousands of micro courses at free of cost, for absolutely free. So all these benefits are provided only at Vedantu. And right now we are providing you flat 10% off. We are providing you flat 10% discount on all the courses. So if you want flat 10% off, then use my code SCPRO. So this is my code which you can use for flat 10% discount. Now with this, the class is over, guys. And if you guys are new to our channel, then please go and subscribe our channel right now for more such live classes. Also, I hope that you all have liked the video. You all have hit that thumbs up button. If not yet, then go and like it quickly so that you can watch more such live classes with us. And now I'll see you all in the next class with the term 2 syllabus. So stay tuned for the next class. Until then, please stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining this session. Now we'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye-bye, good night, have sweet dreams, and take care of yourself.